My name is Dr. Rajat Dandekar, and I have done my BTech and MTech from IIT Madras. After that, I have pursued my PhD from Purdue University. Today, I am incredibly excited to announce the launch of Hands-on Reinforcement Learning Bootcamp. In the year 2025, everyone is talking about reinforcement learning. Why? The main reason is that in the January of this year, DeepSeek team released an open source model in which they clearly showed that pure reinforcement learning can be used to induce reasoning in an LLM. This was completely mind blowing. And after this, there has been a spurge of activity in the reasoning LLM space, and reinforcement learning has been at the heart of it. RL has been considered to be largely a theoretical field, but there are immense practical applications of reinforcement learning, starting from RLHF and moving towards building reasoning models. In this hands-on RL bootcamp, we'll be covering the basics of RL, the theoretical aspects, and then we'll be moving towards the practical side of RL. In the practical side, we'll be teaching you how to build RL agents from scratch. Agents which can understand stock trading, agents which can navigate the web, agents which can help a large language model to reason. This will be a very structured bootcamp which will not only give you the mathematical understanding of RL, but also give you the complete confidence to build and deploy RL agents in practice. The bootcamp is structured in such a way that every week there will be 90 minutes of lecture, and we'll be covering 8 lectures as a part of the bootcamp. We are very excited to invite all of you to join this bootcamp because we really believe that RL is the future. In the last 3 decades, we have seen the era of computer simulation followed by the era of human data. Now is the time where we are entering the era of experience. It means that AI agents will not only learn from the data which is given to them, but they will also learn from the experience they themselves collect by navigating with the environment around them. And reinforcement learning is going to be the absolute key for that. It's going to be one of the most important skills which a student can acquire moving forward and developing this skill set in the AI field. Thank you very much, everyone. And if you are interested, then check out the link given in the description below.